So good morning students and good morning parents. Just now the 12th results has been declared. So one of the most thing after the result declaration is that where to go, where to seek the admission, what is the admission process, what are the various documents required. So this comes to the mind of parent as well as students. So today's video you are going to learn about how to take admission to the D Pharma as well as what are the various documents required for the diploma in pharmacy. So students, when you pass your 12th examination, after that you want to seek the admission for the higher courses like engineering, pharmacy, medical, like that. So this video is specially meant for to give some of the direction how to think and where to take the admission. So here I am going to tell you details about the D Pharmacy course as well as the various documents required for the securing admission to this course. So students, after completion of your 12th, that is 10 plus 2 from the recognized board, you are eligible for getting admission to the pharmacy. The thing is that just either you have PCB or PCM score, that is physics, chemistry, biology or physics, chemistry, math. If you have this course, then only you are eligible for the admission. Right now or till date there is no such criteria that you should secure this and this percentage, right? So the primary criteria for getting admission to the D Pharmacy is that you should pass the 12th or HSC exam from the recognized board with the physics, chemistry, biology or physics, chemistry, maths subject. So this is the one of the professional course where you can get the admission. So the entire admission process of the diploma in pharmacy is run by Directorate of Technical Education. So Directorate of Technical Education gives the notification for the admission process, where I will put the link of that Directorate of Technical Education website so that you can keep on searching the website for the latest admission process. So friends, I am Professor Ashish Kandalkar, working in LSRG Institute of Pharmacy as a principal from last 6 years. So we have created some link. Those students who are interested to secure the admission for pharmacy and want to get the notification of pharmacy admission on time, they also can see the down link and click on that link and register themselves for getting the latest update on D Pharmacy admission process. So this course is a wonderful course. This course is just 2 years course, and the pattern of the course is annual. So you will have the 2 annual exam during this course. Just the criteria is that you should fulfill the PCB group or PCM group for securing the admission to the D Pharmacy. So most of the students or the parents also can take the admission for this course. This is the mercy of this course. There is no age limit criteria. So most of the students get admitted to this course in order to open their own pharmacy and run their own pharmacy. Within 2 years they can able to start their own pharmacy. So this is the mercy of the course. With a very limited period of time and limited fees, you can able to secure you can able to start your own business, as well as you can secure the admission to the D Pharmacy. So as per as the part of documentation is concerned, or the various documents required, so I will tell you the general documents which are required for getting admission to the pharmacy. They are, you should have original 10th mark sheet as well as 12th mark sheet and transfer certificate or living certificate of 12th. So if you have done any graduation course, then you have to submit the original transfer certificate or the living certificate of that final course. Apart from this, you require age, nationality, domicile certificate, as well as for further process of scholarship also you can need Aadhaar card, bank account number, as well as income certificates. If you are in the caste, you should require caste certificate, caste validity certificate, as well as non-criminal certificate. So on the basis of this certificate, you can get admitted to the D pharmacy. If you don't have such certificate, then there is some span is given by Directorate of Technical Education. It is 8 to 10 days during which you can provide such document and get admission to the D pharmacy. So here the process is like that. After the notification of DT, you have to go to the DT website. You have to get registered over DT website. After registration and after uploading the documents, you have to go to the facilitation center nearby in order to get your document check. After checking your documents, you will be eligible for the various rounds. Generally, there are 3 rounds. During the 3 round, you can get your admission status. If you are selected for the admission process in the first round, you can go with that college if it is on first priority, or you can wait for second and third round in order to get your first priority college. After getting online admission, you have to confirm your admission from admission regulating center, that is ARC center, where you have to go and report about the admission. After reporting to the admission center, you have to visit the college and report to the college about your admission. After that, college will confirm your admission and you are now get admitted to the pharmacy course. So this is just the admission process, how the admission process is carried out. But the pharmacy, that is 10+2 course, is the very beautiful course. Within 2 years you can able to open your own pharmacy, or you can get other jobs like medical representative. You can get the job in the pharmaceutical company in the packaging departments also, and further you can go to the another positions also. So thank you friends, thank you for listening me. If you have any doubt regarding the admission, you can comment me, or you can send me mail at ashishkandalkar1@gmail.com. So I will also give the one link of our college website. You can visit our college website also. So the admission process for the D pharmacy, it is central admission process. So once you applied for the admission process, you will be eligible for almost all the colleges in the Maharashtra. No need to go to each and every college. You can apply online and you will be able to get admission as per your merit score. So thank you friends, thank you for watching me.